So let's now talk about the auto purchasing or the AutoPO module, which is used to generate purchase orders automatically. Now you can use this module to do a number of things. For example, you can use it to generate a purchase order when the quantities for a given item at a given store falls below its minimum quantity level. Let me write this down. So when the quantity falls below min. So for example, take this item here. Let's say you currently have 20 units of this item. And let's say you sell 5, so now you have 15. Let's say you sell 4 more, so now you have 11. Let's say you sell 2 more, now you have 9. So you're below your min. If you run the AutoPO module, Retail Pro would want to order more of this particular item because it's below its min quantity level. And maybe you want to place the order to order up to its max. So Retail Pro would order 21 more, as an example. Or maybe you want to order back up to your min. In this case, you'll order 1 more. But regardless, the point here is that Retail Pro will want to generate a purchase order or order more merchandise because the item has fallen below its min quantity level. So this tool can also be used to maintain a certain quantity level continuously. Okay, so for example, let's use the same item here. Let's say that you want to always maintain the max of 30. So again, if you have 20 right now and you run the AutoPO module, Retail Pro will order 10 more. Okay, so now you're back up to 30. And let's say you sell 1, so now you're down to 29. If you run the AutoPO module, Retail Pro would want to order 1 more to get you back up to 30. All right. Next, you can also use the AutoPO module to back up your existing commitments. Okay, so for example, let's say that this item is a layaway item. So you're not using any mins or maxes at all. And let's say right now you have a quantity of 5 of this item. But you have several SOs, several layaways, that all add up to about 6 units. So you have 6 commitments for this item, and you only have 5 units available. So really you're short by 1, right? So you can use the AutoPO module to make up that difference, to make sure that you can back up your existing commitments. So in this case, Retail Pro will order 1 more to allow you to meet your commitment of 6. Or here's another example. Let's say that you have a quantity of 0 of this item. Maybe this item is really just, you don't really carry the item at all. People just come in and they would place an order, and then you would order it from your supplier. When it comes in, the customer will pick it up. Okay, so it's always a special order kind of item. And let's say that on sales orders, special orders, or customer orders, you currently have 5. If you run the AutoPO module right now, Retail Pro, being that you're short by 5, Retail Pro will order 5 more, right, to allow you to meet your existing commitments. And those aren't just sales order commitments. It could be transfer commitments as well. So maybe you promise to transfer 2 more to a different store. So really you have commitments of 7 here. So Retail Pro will allow you to order 7 more to meet your existing commitments. Okay, so that's another way you could use the AutoPO module. All right, that's it. That's the auto purchasing module.